In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add high probability order blocks, quick and easy guide. We'll walk through this on Tradingview step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly how to load this indicator onto your chart and start using it right away. If you already have Tradingview open, that's perfect. If not, go ahead and open your charting layout so you can follow along in real time. First, look at the top of your Tradingview screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the middle of the top toolbar, labeled Indicators, or sometimes Indicators and Strategies. Click on that. This opens a search window where you can find any built-in or community script to add to your chart. Think of this as your main library for all the tools you might want to use. Once the Indicators window is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on that search field and type in high probability. Make sure you spell it clearly because the results will filter instantly based on what you type. As you're typing, Tradingview will start listing indicators that match those words. This makes it easy to quickly locate exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through a long list. After typing high probability, look through the list of results and find the one that's specifically called high probability order blocks. You might see other indicators with similar names, but you want the exact one that includes order blocks in the title. When you see it, simply click on it once. As soon as you click it, Tradingview automatically adds the high probability order blocks indicator to your active chart. You should see colored zones or blocks appear around key price levels depending on how the script is designed. These zones are meant to highlight areas where price is more likely to react, which can be helpful for planning entries, exits, or stop levels. From here, you can fine-tune it if you like. To do that, hover over the indicator's name in the upper left of the chart, click the settings icon, and adjust things like colors, visibility, or sensitivity so it matches your style and is easy for you to read at a glance. And that's all there is to it. Open the indicators menu, type high probability, select high probability order blocks, and it's ready to use on your chart.